I made an absolutely delicious dill pickle soup that you have to try. This soup comes from an old Polish recipe, and if you can get a hold of a jar of pickles, I definitely recommend giving it a try. So we're going to start out with a little bit of clarified butter in a cast iron skillet. Then I'm going to add in my onions, I'm going to season them, and I'm going to sweat them out until they're kind of clear and see-through and really fragrant and tasting really good. And now I'm going to add in my carrots. Waking when the sun's down, riding all these highs, waiting for the calm down, walk these streets with me. And then when my carrots are kind of cooked down and smelling really good, I'm going to add in my potatoes. Then I'm going to season my potatoes. Mix it all up really good. Then I'm going to take it all over and add it to my soup pot. I'm going to add 5½ cups of chicken broth and 2 cups of pickle juice. Two cups of diced pickles. And then once it comes up to a boil, 2 shredded chicken breasts. Chicken is not traditional to this recipe, and if you want to leave it out for a vegetarian dish, you can. I just felt like adding some chicken. In a separate bowl, I'm going to combine 1 cup of sour cream, 1/4 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of flour. Whisk that together until it's smooth. Here's where you're going to start incorporating your sour cream mixture into your soup. You're just going to add a little bit at a time, and you're going to whisk it in. And as you whisk it in, it will incorporate itself into the soup. You might find some little bits of flour left over, and if that happens, you just need to keep whisking it, and the flour will get emulsified into the soup. Add some Old Bay seasoning and some salt and pepper to taste. And garnish with a little bit of dill and some green onions. And there you have it, dill pickle soup. Enjoy!